Welcome to the lecture series on operations research. In the last lecture, we have get introduced to meta-heuristics. So let us continue and apply the concept of meta-heuristics. In particular, let us understand taboo search. So as a recap, some of the problems are so complicated in the real life so that it may not be possible to get the optimal solution. So we can come out with some of the algorithms that will give you good feasible solution. The good feasible solution means the solution is reasonably good and it is very near to the optimal solution. The value of the objective function is very near to the optimal solution. So such solutions can be given by some of the algorithms which uses heuristics methods. Heuristics methods are used to search for such a good feasible solution. In the last video we have seen sub-2 reversal algorithm for the traveling salesman problem. So this is one of the heuristic method that we can use to get the good feasible solution. So meta-heuristics is the general solution that provides both a general structure and the strategy guidelines for developing the specific heuristic method. Meta-heuristics is an algorithm to develop the heuristic algorithm. So today's lecture, let us understand taboo search, the general method, and also the traveling salesman problem, how we can solve using a taboo search. So let us understand what is that taboo search is. Taboo search, as an introduction, the general idea is that search a space by choosing a point and going to its best neighbor that is not in the taboo list. So general idea is like this. We have some current solution. From the current solution, we are going to get several other solutions. We call it as a neighbor solutions. So among that, we select the best neighbor solutions. From the trial solutions, get to several solutions and choose the best one. And while choosing the best one, ensure that it is not in the taboo list. So taboo search maintains a list called as taboo list. So whenever we are choosing the best neighbor from the trial solution, we see that it is not in the taboo list. So taboo list stores the forbidden moves. Taboo list stores the forbidden moves. And we need a local search procedure to get the solutions. For example, in the very beginning, we have some trial solution. From the trial solution to get several solutions, we need a local search procedure. For example, in the sub-2 reversal algorithm, the example we have seen that we have taken the initial solution as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1. This is the path for the initial traveling salesman problem. Then we have reversed it by one edge, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5 like this. Similarly, then we have chosen reversing two edges at a time, 2, 3, 4, something like that. So this is called as a local search procedure for the traveling salesman problem. Like that, any problem that we are going to solve using the taboo search, we need to define one local search procedure that is used to get the several solutions from the trial solution. The local search that accepts the inferior neighbor points but that prevents revisiting previously examined solutions. Whenever we are considering the local search procedure, by using the taboo list, that will avoid revisiting the previously examined solution. That is the use of taboo list. Optimal solution is not guaranteed using the taboo search, but definitely we are going to reach the best feasible solution. Taboo search is an iterative improvement method that at some point will take certain moves in the given search. So by the term taboo means, taboo is nothing but do not move, do not take that particular move, or forbidden move. Taboo search adds memory to the local search. Whenever we are considering the taboo list length we are taking some fixed amount. fixed length we are taking. So whenever we are storing some of the information in the taboo list, it is not infinite in nature. For example, its size may be say 4 or 6 or 10, something like that. So that means its memory is very small. It is not remembering all the previous moves, taboo moves. A certain extent it remembers. So it prevents cycles on revisiting the previously explored solutions, and it increases the diversity of explorations, and it also theoretically helps us to escape from the local minima. Objective functions, see, whenever we use optimization problems, objective functions may end up with our procedure may end up with the local minimas. So taboo search helps us to come out of the local minimas. This particular concept is explained in the coming example also, how it comes out from the local minimas. What is the basic outline of the taboo search algorithm? The basic outline of the taboo search algorithm. So please understand, taboo search algorithm, we need to apply to a certain problem to get the solution. So this is the general procedure. Whatever the problem we have on hand, first we need to start with the initial trial solution. Start with the initial trial solution, first solution. Then find out an appropriate procedure, we call it as a local search procedure, to get the several other neighborhood solutions. So define appropriate local search procedure to get feasible moves, so that get the several other solutions from the current trial solutions. Then among the several other solutions that we got, eliminate the one by looking at the taboo list. Whatever the forbidden solutions are there, whatever the solutions we got by having the forbidden moves, that just remove that. Then determine which of the remaining moves provides the best solution. Whatever is removed, whatever remaining solutions are there, take the best one. The objective function, best one let us take. Adopt this solution as the next trial solution. So this completes almost one iteration now, regardless of whether it is better or worse than the current solution. Summarizing so far, we have trial solution, adopt some local search procedures to get the next solutions. Among the next solutions, look at the taboo list, whatever is taboo or forbidden, delete that solutions. Whatever is remaining after deletion, get the best solution. Adopt this solution as the outcome of the first iteration. Upon doing this, also update the taboo list. Update the taboo list to forbid the cycling back to that particular solution in the later stage. So why we need to update the taboo list? Because how we got the first solution, first iteration, whatever we got, that how we got that particular solution, we don't want to get the same solution again. So how we got it, corresponding information will be stored in the taboo list. Suppose the taboo list is already full after quite a number of iterations, then delete the one depending upon the our situations. Maybe the first come first out strategy we can use. So delete the one, delete the older member of the taboo list to provide space for the new moves. So this is the summary of the iterations of the taboo search. Then finally we need to stop this particular iterations at some point of time. So some of the basic methods that is used to stop the iterations are nothing but, number one, let us use fixed number of iterations, say 10 iterations or 100 iterations, something like that. Or let us say fixed number of CPU time, how much time it is utilizing in the CPU. Or the one more strategy that we can use is fixed number of consecutive iterations without an improvement. See that, for example, 3 iterations. While performing the iterations, let us say we have done iterations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Say there is an improvement in the objective function, value of the objective function. Let us say iteration 9, iteration 10, iteration 11 gives the same value. So then we can conclude that 3 iterations there is no improvement. So we can stop. So fixed number of consecutive iterations without an improvement in the best objective function value, then also we can stop. So we can adopt any one among these 3 methods as a stopping criteria. So from this outline of the taboo search algorithms, some of the questions that is not answered or unanswered, or in other words, whenever we need to apply taboo search for some problem, let us say traveling salesman problem or minimum spanning tree problem or some other problem, we need to find the answers to these 6 questions. Once we define the answer to these 6 questions, then our heuristic algorithm is ready. So overall taboo search provides a skeleton for the heuristic algorithm. So what are the answers we need to find out? Number 1, which local search procedure should be used? It means once we have one trial solution, how to get the next solutions from the trial solutions. For example, subtour reversal algorithm, first from the initial one, initial solution, we reversed the edges. So that is what the local search procedure for the traveling salesman problem. Then, how should that procedure define the neighborhood structure that specifies which solutions are immediate neighbors, reachable in the single iteration of any current solution? In our example of subtour reversal algorithm, we are reversing edges of one length 1, edges of length 2, edges length 3. These are the paths we are reversing it. So that itself is the neighborhood structure. So we need to define the neighborhood structure for the problem. Third one, what is the form in which taboo moves should be represented on the taboo list? How we represent the taboo moves and how we store that. Traveling salesman problem, probably we can store the edges so that edges are the forbidden moves. That deletion is not allowed. Further we are discussing in the next example. So we need to define what are the taboo moves and how we can store it in the taboo list. What we are supposed to store it in the taboo list and how we define the taboo moves. So this is the third question need to be answered. Fourth question is which taboo move should be added to the taboo list in each iteration? How to update the taboo list? Each iteration, how to update the taboo list, that we need to define. So this is the fourth question need to be answered. The fifth one, how long should a taboo move be retained in the taboo list? Once we add some move into the taboo list, when we are supposed to delete it? How long it will be there in the taboo list? So this also need to be answered. And finally, what is the stopping rule we should use? We need to define the stopping criteria. So suppose we need to apply taboo search for getting the solution for a certain problem. We need to define these 6 questions. If you define these 6 questions in the taboo search algorithm, we'll get a heuristic algorithm. The flowchart of the taboo search algorithm is as follows. First we get some initial solution, then we apply the local neighborhood search procedure and get several candidate list of solutions, and among the list of solutions, whatever the taboo moves are there, that will be deleted. Remaining solutions we will get. Among that remaining solution, get the best admissible solution, best solution. See that the stopping criteria is satisfied. If satisfied, accept the last solution and it is the final solution. If the stopping criteria is not satisfied, go back. update the taboo list and see the conditions, get the next solutions from the best solution chosen in the previous iteration. Okay, so updating the taboo list includes adding, deleting everything. So this iteration will happen, updating the candidate solutions, choosing the best solution. This will be iterated several number of times, and finally we get the final solution. So this is a flowchart for the taboo search algorithm. Now let us discuss how we can solve traveling salesman problem using taboo search. So 6 questions we need to answer with respect to traveling salesman problem. So how we can define these answers to 6 questions. Number 1, local search algorithm. So what can be the local search algorithm? For the traveling salesman problem, at each iteration, choose the best immediate neighbor of the current trial solution that is not ruled out by its taboo status. So the local search algorithm is nothing but choose the best immediate neighbor. Choose the best immediate neighbor is a local search algorithm. Now the question is how to find out the immediate neighbor. That is what defined in the question number 2, neighborhood structure. So we can define the immediate neighbor. Immediate neighbor means one solution we have, how to get the next solution from this solution. An immediate neighbor of the current trial solution is one that is reached by making the subtour reversal. Since traveling salesman problem we are using, so we can use subtour reversal algorithm to get the next solution. So such a reversal requires adding 2 links and deleting 2 other links to the current trial solution. So please understand, whenever we say subtour reversal, reversing an edge or a path, it is nothing but deleting 2 edges and adding 2 edges. We have discussed in video 1. The first video, introduction video, we have discussed this. So subtour reversing is nothing but deletion of 2 edges and addition of 2 edges. So this is how we get the next solution. So summary of step 1 and 2 is nothing but get the immediate neighbors from the current solution by using the subtour reversal and choose the best one. So this is a summary of first and second. Now, how we form the taboo moves. So list the links such that particular subtour reversal would be taboo if both links to be deleted in this reversal are not in the list. What do you mean by taboo moves? How we define taboo moves? Here taboo moves are nothing but whenever we are going for subtour reversal, we need to add 2 edges, delete 2 edges. Whenever we are deleting 2 edges, see that it is there in the taboo list. See that it is there in the taboo list. In the first iteration, taboo list is empty. So nothing is there. So we can delete it. But after several iterations, we can see some edges we are storing in the taboo list. So while deletion, see that it is there in the taboo list. If it is there in the taboo list, don't go for that particular move. So I repeat. So subtour reversal would be a taboo, means it is forbidden if both the links to be deleted are in the taboo list. So this is the taboo move. Question number 4 we need to answer is how to add a taboo move to the taboo list. So addition of the taboo move is like this. At each iteration, after choosing 2 links to be added to the current trial solution, also add these 2 links to the taboo list. In the step 2, subtour reversal algorithm, we are reversing the edges. So adding 2 edges and deleting 2 edges. Among that we take the best one. So while adding 2 edges, and if at all it is selected as the best immediate neighbor, of course that should be a tab. We are adding 2 edges, we are deleting 2 edges. See that the deletion the edges that we are deleting, it is not there in the taboo list, and we choose the best one. Whatever the edges that is added in the subtour reversal, and suppose that particular reversal is taken as the best one, then add that two links to the current trial solution. So that is added to the taboo list also. So whatever the best that we are taking here, that satisfies the conditions of step 3 here, that will be added to the edges that will be added, that also added to the taboo list. Of course, we'll take an example later for the better understanding. Step number 5. What is the maximum size of the taboo list? Maximum size of the taboo list, we can take some even numbers. In our implementation here, in our example here, we are considering it as a 4. So that 2 from each of the 2 most recent iterations. 1 iterations, 2 edges we are storing. Suppose the taboo list length is 4. In that case, we are almost remembering 2 previous iterations. 2 edges represents previous iteration. 2 more edges represents previous to that iteration. So at most we are remembering 2 previous iterations. Whenever a pair of links is added to the full list, delete the 2 links that already have been in the list longest. Suppose the third iteration we are coming and we are adding some edges, means the first come first out strategy we follow. The older edges whatever we have added, that will be removed and the new one will be added to it. So maximum size of the taboo list will be 4 only. So whenever we need to add 2 more edges to the taboo list, the old 2 edges will be removed from it and the newer one will be added to it. Last one is the stopping rule. Stop after 3 consecutive iterations without an improvement in the best objective function value. So this is the criteria we are considering for the stopping rule. 3 consecutive iterations without improvement in the objective function value. So that is the stopping rule we are using. So we answered all 6 questions with respect to traveling salesman problem using the subtour reversal algorithm. We defined the taboo moves, taboo list, everything. So now we can take an example and understand how it works. So without a loss of generality, let us consider the initial trial solution as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. So 1 to 7 and back to 1. The distance is 69 and it is a feasible solution. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and back to 1. Now initially the taboo list is blank at this point. The total length is 4. Now let us use that subtour reversal algorithm to get the immediate neighbors. The immediate neighbors are not listed here in our slides. So in our first video we have seen the subtour reversal algorithm. So use the subtour reversal algorithm completely, reversing one edge at a time, like 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7. Then go for 2 edges at a time, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. So like this, 3 edges at a time, like this keep on continuing and get all the trial solutions from this. So reverse 1 edge, 2 edge to get the 2 edge, 3 edges, like that. All the possibilities to get the neighbors of the initial solution. Among the solutions that is listed, get the one, select the best one that has a new trial solution. So all the candidate solutions, whatever the intermediate solutions we are getting, we also call it as a candidate solution. So all these solutions are not listed here. So several solutions we can list by using the subtour reversal. Among that, take the best one. So iteration 1, the best solution that we are getting is nothing but reversing the edges 3, 3, 4. So several possibilities. The best one is nothing but reversing 3, 4 with the distance of 65. So iteration 1, choose to reverse 3, 4 among the all immediate neighbors. Suppose we are reversing 3, 4 means 2 edges we need to delete, 2 edges we need to add. The deletion of edges is nothing but 2 to 3 and 4 to 5. 2 to 3 and 4 to 5. The edges need to be added is 2 to 4, then 3 to 5. So deletion, whatever we are doing, we need to see that it is there in the taboo list. If it is there in the taboo list, this deletion, this step is not allowed. This choosing reversing of 3, 4 is not allowed. We can see that taboo list initially it is blank, so we can delete any edges. So this step is allowed. It is not a taboo move. So this is allowed. Then we need to add 2, 4 and 3, 5 to the taboo list. 2, 4 and 3, 5 need to be added to the taboo list. So the taboo list will be 2, 4 and 3, 5. So the new trial solution at the end of the iteration 1 is 1, 2, 4, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1 with a distance of 65, and the taboo list is updated as 2, 4, 3, 5. So 2 entries in the taboo list are added. 2 entries are filled now. One is edge 2, 4, another one is 3, 5. Now let us move to the second iteration. What we are supposed to do in the second iteration? Second iteration, start with this trial solution, apply subtour reversal and get the next solutions. So iteration 2, apply subtour reversal to the previous solution. Several solutions we can list. Among the several solutions we can list, the best one is nothing but reversing 3, 5, 6. Reversing 3, 5, 6. So reversing 3, 5, 6 means we need to delete 4, 3, 6, 7 and we need to add 4, 6, 3, 7. And deletion of 3, 4 and 6, 7 is allowed because it is not there in the taboo list. Already we have in the taboo list it is 2, 4 and 3, 5. So 4, 3, 6, 7 deletion is allowed. So this move is a valid move. So we can go for it. So the new trial solution that we can get is 1, 2, 4, 6, 5, 3, 7, 1 with the distance of 64. And whatever the added links are there, added edges are there, that need to be added to the taboo list also. So previously it is having 2, 4, 3, 5. Now we are supposed to add 4, 6 and 3, 7. Please observe that taboo list is full now. So this is what we are reversing. Earlier we had the distance of 65. Now we had the distance of 64. Now move to the third iteration. Third iteration, we need to consider this as the trial solution. For this we need to apply all the possibilities of subtour reversals and we need to select the best one provided it is not taboo. So at the end of the iteration 2, we have current trial solution as 1, 2, 4, 6, 5, 3, 7, 1 and the taboo list is all, of course it is full. The edges filled with are 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 6 and 3, 7. Now go for the third iteration. Several solutions we will get in the third iteration. Two things are listed here which is required for our discussion. One is the minimum one. The distance minimum one is 65. It is got by reversing 6, 5, 3. The another one is 66. It is got by reversing 3, 7 among this. So all these are got by subtour reversal on this particular solution. Now choose the best one, that is 65. Just to see that it is feasible. Of course it is feasible, but reversing of 6, 5, 3 we can do only if by doing deleting the edge 4, 6 and 3, 7. 4, 6 and 3, 7 you can see that it is there in the taboo list. It is there in the taboo list. So that deletion is not allowed. Or in other words, if you go for this particular step, we are going back to the previous solutions. So taboo search prevents us to go back to the previous solutions. How it does this is nothing but it won't allow this particular move now. The edge we need to delete is 4637. It is there in the taboo list. So this particular reversing 653 is not allowed. The next best solution is reversing 37, which gives the distance of 66. So 37, let us see it is possible or not. 37 we need to reverse means we need to delete 53 and 71, and we need to add 57 and 31. So deletion of 53 and 71, of course it is allowed because it is not there in the taboo list. So let us go for it. So iteration 3, the best solution is nothing but reversing 37, and we need to delete 53 and 71. We need to add 57 and 31. Now whatever we are adding the edges, adding the links, that need to be added to the taboo list also. Taboo list originally we have this one. So these two need to be added to the taboo list. So of course the size of the taboo list is 4. So we need to delete 2, then we need to add these two. So delete 2 edges which is added in the first iteration. So which is the oldest 2 edges. Just delete these 2 and add these 2. So taboo list becomes 4637 and 5731. So the new trial solution is 124,65731 with the distance of 66. So the reversing of 37 is shown in this particular diagram. Further, moving to the iteration 4, we have the trial solution that we got at the end of the iteration 3. It is nothing but 124,65731 with the taboo list as 46375731. Now apply sub2 reversal for this and get several solutions. Some of the solutions are listed here, and of course the distances are 65, 69, 63, 64. All these are the best. These are the some of the solutions, candidate solutions we have. Of course some of them are taboo moves. Of course their values are 69, which is far higher than 63. Anyway, but this particular move, reversing of 6-5 is forbidden. It is a taboo move because reversing of 6-5 requires deletion of edges 4-6 as well as 7. 6-5 requires deletion of edges 4-6 and 5-7. So 4-6 and 5-7 is there in the taboo list. That is why this is not allowed. Again, reversing of 7-3 also not allowed because reversing of 7-3 means we need to delete 5-7 and 3-1. 5-7 and 3-1 it is there in the taboo list. That is also not allowed. So among the best one, of course, the reversing 2-4-6-5-7, that will give us distance 65. Reversing 5-7 will give us distance 63. So among the possibilities, the best one is nothing but reversing 5-7. So the distance that we got is 63. So this is a result of the fourth iteration. In summary, result of fourth iteration, choose to reverse 5-7. This is how the reversal is done. Deleted links are 6-5-7-3. It is not there in the taboo list. Added links are 6-7 and 5-3. And the taboo list is updated with 6-7 and 5-3. And old two entries 4-6 and 3-7 are deleted. The new trial solution that we get is 1-2-4-6-7-5-3-1 with the distance of 63. So like this we need to proceed several iterations. 1 to 4 iterations we have seen. Like this we need to proceed several iterations, and we can adopt some of the stopping rules, like stop whenever 3 consecutive iterations without an improvement of the objective function value, then we can stop it. That part is not shown here. So first 4 iterations are shown how this taboo search will work on traveling salesman problem. Some of the advantages and disadvantages, pros and cons of the taboo search methods are listed here. Advantages is that it allows non-improving solution to be accepted in order to escape from the local minima. Even though next solution we get the some solution better than the earlier iteration, since it is a taboo move, we need not accept it, so that we can escape from the local minimum. That is advantage. The use of taboo list can be applied in both in the discrete and continuous solution spaces, and this taboo search can be used for more difficult problem also, like scheduling, quadratic assignment, vehicle routing. Taboo search obtains solutions that are rival and often surpass the best solutions previously found by other approaches. Some of the disadvantages are, while answering the 6 questions, we need to fine tune several parameters. For example, what is the neighborhood structure? What is the local search procedure? What is the length of the taboo list? What we are supposed to store in the taboo list? What is the stopping criteria? All these things we need to identify. So identifying these too many parameters are quite difficult job. And usually the number of iterations are quite large to finalize the optimum solution. I mean, best feasible solution. Global optimum may not be found, depends on the parameter settings. Whether the solution that we got is very near to the optimum or not, it purely depends on how we choose the parameters. There are some modifications for the taboo search also. The concepts called as the intensification and diversification. Intensification means penalize the solutions far from the current solution. Suppose the solution value is, objective function value is too far from the current solution, then go for some terms for the objective function to penalize that. And also there is something called as diversification, penalize the solutions close to the current solution. The next solution whatever we are getting, it should not be very nearer to the current solution. For that, adopt some penalizing criteria. These are the 2 modifications to the taboo search.